Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a really nice Matchbox car here. From 2022, we have this beautiful 1994 Lexus LS400. I believe this is the first Lexus ever created. I think it debuted back in 1990. That's when Lexus started becoming a thing. And then I think they kept making this model for a few more years, the LS400. Beautiful luxury sedan. Great paint job on this. And this is a really desirable Matchbox casting. Here we go, 1994 Lexus LS400 from 2022 Matchbox. A dark card back. This came out in a later mix. Well, it actually came out in an earlier mix, but they kind of carried it on to later mixes as well. But here we go. Is that a 2021 toy number? Is that what I'm seeing? And we don't see a collector number here, so I think this is supposed to be released in 2021, but it got delayed. Sometimes that might happen. 2022 copyright as well. Here we go. Beautiful, clean Lexus sedan. I wouldn't mind having one of these in real life. Let's crack this one open and see what we're dealing with here. Wow, this is a super nice ride. Metallic, kind of pearlescent tan. Holy cow, this is nice. Yeah, this is a really nice ride. Very glad I scored this. Those are the ring disc wheels. Beautiful, beautiful ride. Looks so realistic and clean. And a lot of plastic there, though. The base is all plastic. It's kind of a dark gray color. And there's the taillights. Really nice taillights there with the Lexus logo. Dual exhaust. Gray interior. It'd be nice if it had a tan interior, but nice sunroof. 4-door sedan. This is a super cool ride. I really love this. This is probably one of my new favorite Matchbox castings. Beautiful front end, really realistic and clean once again. Really nice ride. Here we go. Lexus LS400. Nice mirrors too. And I'm looking to get an IS250 one day. IS250 or IS or ES maybe. But I'm a really big fan of Lexus. Made by Toyota, so they're kind of the luxury line of Toyota, so they have reliability and luxury. And the Lexus probably has a lot of power to it too. But this is a super nice ride to add to the Matchbox collection. Definitely keeping this one. Definitely one of my new favorites. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.